Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure your iPhone 12 is on, signed into your Apple ID, and updated. Open the Wallet app now and tap the plus sign to add a card. Choose Camera to scan the card or select Enter card details manually. This speeds entry when lighting is poor. Once done, accept card terms, then choose a verification method, SMS, email, or your bank app, because Apple needs to confirm you own the card before continuing. After adding the card, you'll complete verification. Expect a one-time code via SMS or your bank app. Enter that code when prompted, then wait for confirmation. This authenticates the card so payments will work. Next, set the card as your default in Wallet if you want it used automatically. Make sure Face ID for Apple Pay is enabled in Settings, and enable Express Transit if you use public transport. This reduces prompts and speeds contactless payment. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, glance for Face ID confirmation, and hold the top of iPhone 12 near the contactless reader until Done appears. That's the how. If using a PIN or signature terminal, follow the merchant prompts. If a payment fails, make sure the terminal supports contactless NFC and align the top of the phone with the reader. If issues continue, delete and re-add the card, confirm verification with your bank, and restart the iPhone to clear temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.